So are you considering a stay here at Hyatt Residence Club, Windward Pointe in Key West, and you want to see what a 2-bedroom villa looks like? Well, let's take a look at ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started, taking a look at our villa here at Hyatt Residence Club, Windward Pointe in Key West, Florida, I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. So if that sounds like what you want to see, be sure to subscribe down below and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video. So we're going to head into our villa here, 5414 at Hyatt Residence Club, Windward Pointe in Key West. Let's go check it out. As we head into our villa here at Hyatt Residence Club, Windward Pointe in Key West, the first thing you're going to notice when you come in is you essentially have the second bedroom right here on the left hand side, and in here is essentially just a queen size bed, and there is actually no connecting bathrooms. You have the queen size bed, some nightstands here as well, and a television with a chest of drawers. There is also a closet over here in the corner as well. So not a very big bedroom here in these villas at Windward Pointe. It is kind of small, and just a queen size bed here is a little bit disappointing. So as we head across the hallway past that main entryway again, we do come to the guest bathroom. Pretty small bathroom here with just a single vanity and sink with a mirror, toilet, have all your towels and everything there, as well as a bathtub and shower. It is kind of a disappointment that the bathroom here, this guest bath, is not connected directly in some way, shape, or form to the second bedroom. Does give up a little bit of privacy for any guests that are staying in that second bedroom, that they do not have access to this guest bathroom. Alright, so moving in here a little bit more into this villa, you come into the main kitchen area. This is perhaps actually one of the smallest kitchens that I have seen at a timeshare property that we have visited, at least for a 2-bedroom villa. This is an extremely small kitchen, really only enough room for one person to work in that kitchen. This is probably the biggest drawback here, is the kitchen. You do have a full-size refrigerator and as well dishwasher, oven, full range, microwave. There's also table serving for 6, so you have your dinnerware, your silverware, all the cups, cutlery, utensils, anything you would need to cook in your villa. There's also a baking sheet and a baking pan as well in those tall skinny cupboards that are on each side of the oven. But just kind of the one big drawback here is just the size of this kitchen. It just does not measure up in my opinion. Okay, so let's now head here into the dining room, and as we do, you're going to find in a closet here just off the kitchen and dining room area is the laundry, a stacking washer and dryer in this small closet over here. Nothing special, not high efficiency, but it does do the trick to wash any clothes that you bring with you on your vacation. So let's move in here into the dining room. You're going to find a dining room table with 6 chairs and also a small cabinet as well up against the wall there with a mirror overhead. This is kind of where we store any sodas, water, anything else like that, because there really isn't a lot of room in the kitchen to store these kinds of things. So this kind of worked out perfect for those larger and bulkier items. Now heading into the living room area, you do have a small kind of love seat sofa. It certainly isn't a full-size sofa there, and I suspect it also only pulls out into probably a double bed, no more than that. Certainly not a queen like you would find on a full-size sofa bed. There is also a large television atop a TV stand here with a Blu-ray player. Now, one unique thing you're going to definitely find in this villa is the telescope that they have in the living room. I'm not exactly sure what the purpose of this is. So while that telescope is a cool thing to have, we are finding that in our villa, at least here on the first floor, and really all of the villas have covered balconies. There really is no way to face that telescope up to the sky, and we're also facing out towards the pool area into the courtyard where pretty much all of the villas also face. There's way too much light out there at night, in the evenings, and I don't know if you would really be able to see anything. You almost need to take that telescope out of the villa and go somewhere that's nice and dark in order to be able to get good views of the night sky. Okay, so let's now head into the master bedroom here. A little bit on the small side. You do have 2 nightstands and also a king size bed in here, but not very big. There is no separate chair like we find in most of the timeshare villas that we stay in. And in the closet over there in the corner, you will find some decent storage there, as well as a huge in-room safe. This is really the largest safe that I have actually ever seen in a timeshare villa that we have ever stayed in. Maybe, I'm not sure what you're bringing with you, but you can certainly pack it in that safe. In the master bedroom here, you also have a large TV stand, dresser, plenty of storage with a large television atop that as well. Now, let's head into the master bathroom. Double vanity sink here, and a fairly large jetted tub, which again, like most other timeshare villas, we never use them. Not sure how much use they actually do get, but this does have a fairly large jetted tub. There is also a fairly kind of small walk-in shower, not very big at all. And the toilet is in a separate kind of room slash closet. And this is actually another disappointment. It is a pretty small area in there for the toilet. Really not much bigger than an airplane lavatory. And really, in order to close the door when you go in, you almost have to straddle the toilet to close the door behind you. One of the disappointing things here in the villa at Hyatt Windward Pointe in Key West. All right, so now let's actually head out here where I am right now and check out the balcony slash patio. Now this is definitely one of the perks here of these villas at Hyatt Windward Pointe. These balconies are huge, basically about 12 feet by 12 feet. They do have an overhead ceiling fan as well, an electrical outlet in the corner, and you have a table with 4 chairs as well as a rocking chair and another large chair with a small side table. All wicker slash rattan. I'm not exactly sure what they're made out of, but they are quite comfortable, except that rocking chair seems to, when you sit in it, you're kind of pitched forward. But definitely a big plus here, having this very large balcony at these villas here at the resort. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, the villa tour here at Hyatt Residence Club Windward Pointe in Key West. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Hyatt Windward Pointe, check out this video right up here, and YouTube. They think you're going to like that one down there. Please be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.